Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will delete all the files which are older than X number of days. So it can be either older than 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or older than a week, older than 10 days. You can replace this value right here. So in the n value, so it can be any value. Let's suppose 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. So it will only delete those files which are older than this x amount of days. So it's a very important script. It will save you a lot of time, and it will run inside the background, and it will just search for those files which are no longer needed by you, and it's older than 1 week, older than a month. Those files will automatically be deleted by this Python script. So I've given this script in the description of the video. Now let me show you how I built this. For this you only need the built-in modules, which are operating system and also the time module. So just import both these packages. After that, here you need to mention which folder you are working with. You need to give the path of that folder. So I'm just give the name of the folder, or you can even paste the complete path as well. After that, you specify the value fn right here. This is the number of days older than this amount of days. The script will automatically delete only those files which are older than 3 days. And then now we will simply go to this directory chdr, and we will go to that particular folder. First of all, by this code here, we will say get current working directory and move to that particular folder. After moving to that folder, we simply get list of those files which we want to delete. We get all the files here. Now we will compare the time here that you mentioned, and for this we'll use the time module, time.time. We'll get the current time, and then in each day, as you all know, it's 8640 seconds are there. So here we will looping through all the files here in this for loop, and then we'll be comparing the time here. If the time comes out to be larger than 3 days, then that file will automatically get deleted. So here we are simply getting that get current working directory. We are getting access to that file, and now we are simply comparing the time. So for this we use the stat method, and here we simply pass the location, and then we calculate the time here using this function st_m_time. That's all. After that, we simply, now we got this time here of the file which when the file was created. Now we can simply, inside this if condition, we can compare that if that time is smaller than the current time that we mentioned, minus the day multiplied by n. So this is simple logic, mathematical logic, comparing the time period when the file was created. If the value evaluates to true, in that case the file will be deleted, and then we will use this remove function to delete the file. That's all. So this is the complete script here. Very simple. We are using simple logic to do this. And now if you want to customize the total number of days, you just need to change at the single location. So if you want to delete only files older than 7 days, you will put 7 here, 30 days 30 here. So this script will save you a lot of time. It will just run this in the background. You no longer manually need to delete the older files. This script will automatically do for you. So I've given all the source code in the description of the video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.